So guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. Welcome guys. If you are new here, my name is Teoluckzboom. I do dance challenges for you guys, just so you know and be there. So basically today we'll be doing this trending Shakira that song that just came outside not quite long ago. Yeah, I'm uploading this video immediately, so not quite long ago the video came outside and this trending stance has been everywhere. I think the song is for World Cup. Yeah, it's upcoming World Cup basically. You know, Shakira has been dropping a banger one after the other. So basically let's do the dance tutorial. So in case you're new here, subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it to your friends and comment what's your favorite Shakira song on the comment section, guys. Now let's dive right into the video. So the first step in this tutorial is, you'll be this strong. I think guys, so it's just if you are washing your clothes, with your hands, something like this. So you open your legs, please. You be this strong. Oh, lying long. I think guys, so first time just 2 times. You be this strong. Then faster. Just 2 times. That first way. You be this strong. 1, 2, 3. I think let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. You be this strong. 1, 2, 3. Okay, follow me guys. Let's go from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. You be this strong. Oh, night long. I think guys. So guys, basically, you be this strong. 1, 2, 3. So that's the first step, guys. Now the second step on this tutorial is 1, 2. 1, 2. Make sure you bring 1, 2. 1, 2. You really strong. Let me just talk up to the second step so I can get this. 5 from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. You really strong. Sorry, let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. You really strong. All night long. I think that. Let's go. 5 from the start again. 5, 6, 7, 8. You really strong. All night long. So then we'll do the ones I love to do. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Hope you are following me, guys. You literally gotta follow me right now, guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. It's simple. That's just it, guys. Just do 1, 2. Then you carry hands up. Kiss your hand. Kiss your face. Let's say the muscles. Kiss your muscles. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. From the start, you be this strong. All night long. I see. From the start, let's go. So everybody follow me. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. You be this strong. All night long. I think that's that one. That one. The next one we'll do is I think that Biko. Simple. Like you cross your hands and set like this. You know Shakira loves this kind of style. She loves all these crossing of things, and if waist is not involved, you have not mentioned Shakira. So you literally gonna wind your waist, guys. Let me just talking a shit right here now. So we can wind together. You're gonna say waist, so let's go. Biko. I think guys. Biko. Simple. Let's go on the start so you can get the concept, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8. You be strong. All night long. All night long. Biko. I think Biko. Let's go. Don't mind the lyrics, guys. I'm just getting used to the song. Let's go. Start one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. You be this strong. All night long. Biko. That's it, guys. Basically, that's it. So, if you don't follow the channel, can you subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it to your friends, and comment which step you are finding difficult at this point in time, So let us know how you're going to tutorials. So let's go. The next step now is once you do equal, then you do is you 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Getting it, guys. So I'm going. This step is playing 2 sides for girls and for guys. Let's go with the start. Up to this extent. 5, 6, 7, 8. You'll be really strong all night long. Equal. I think that let's one more time when it starts. 5, 6, 7, 8. You bring me strong all night long. Equal. Now for the girls, the next step is for the girls. You bend down and you 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me just do the guess one and the boys one different so I can get this one straight. 5, 6, 7 for the guess. 5, 6, 7, 8. You'll be the strong all night long. Nico, so guys, just the dancing these eyes, basically. Hip eye basically. Just without the hip eye basically, right? So for the guys, this is the guys one. You'll be strong all night long. Nico, Nico, basically. I just it. So you can choose what you want to do, guys. Either I go with guys, or I go with girls. Anyone you choose. So this time around, I'm teaching the guys tutorial. So just take it, guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 7. We start. You finish. Let me start. 5, 6, 7. Go. You finish. Nico, Nico, Nico. So this one we're going for. The last step is basically 2, 3, 4. It's not the last step, it's second to last actually. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Let's just hold the whole step to this point. 5, 6, 7, 8. You'll be really strong. All night long. Nico, 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 let's go. Nico, that's the last step, guys. Shake, waist, drop, it. You know, if you are doing Shakira's dance, you are supposed to shake your hip. Basically, she lives with an hip dance. I don't have to tell you guys twice. You guys know she lives on hip dance, basically. So you literally need to shake your hips. You literally need to shake your hips, guys, basically. So let's have when we start one more time. When we start one more time. I will be 5, 6, 7, 8. Nico, Nico, Nico. Nico, Nico, for the boys, basically, once you're done that one, go back, you do back. Let's just see, guys, basically. Anyway, so in case I need to share, kindly subscribe down below, like this video, share to your friends and family, guys. Let's do this tutorial together, basically together. So now let's do it in fast pace and in slow pace so you guys can get it. Now let's do it in slow pace first. 5, 6, 7, 8. You'll be strong all night long. 1, 2, fist up, fist, slide up with your weight. 1, 2, 3, 4. Guys, hold down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Finish. Yeah, that's what the slow style, guys. Let's do the fast one, the fast speed, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go, baby, strong. All night long. Aye, eco, aye, eco, aye, eco, aye. Let's go. So basically, I like the dance tutorial. In case you like the dance tutorial, give me a like, follow the channel, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment which tutorial I want in the comment section. I'm going to do it for you guys. And don't forget to watch YouTube videos over here. And see you guys at the World Cup.